So, exactly what's happening to San Diego's population in 2023? Stay tuned to find out. If you're like me, you're hearing all the time, oh, San Diego, California, everybody's leaving, all the U-Hauls are leaving, and there's none coming back. While that may be true in some parts of California, or a lot of parts of California, that's not the case with San Diego. So let's go take a look at the facts on what has happened and projections that we're expecting to continue to happen for people either moving to or out of San Diego. Talk about 2020, there was a population of about 3,251,000. From 2019, an increase of 0.62%. In 21, it went up 0.65. In 22, it went up 0.7. And in 2023, we're in almost July, it's up 0.73%. So 0.73% from 2022. So here are a couple projections. I'm going to go to the 10-year. You'll notice that the trend here is right around the 3.4, 3.5 million, going all the way up to, what would that be, 2037 to 3.67 million. So the annual change, of course, this is staying relatively flat. Looks like it's going to stay maybe around 1%, and then over the next 10 years down to 0.8. So it looks like San Diego is going to continue bringing people in, and why wouldn't it? I mean, it's June, what date is here? June 26th. It's 72 degrees outside, perfectly sunny. June gloom's almost gone. Now, are there cons? Of course. You can go watch my pros and cons video, which is in this YouTube channel also. I'll leave a link in the description. Is homelessness a problem? Absolutely. It's actually increasing. Is utility costs a problem? Yes, they're increasing. Is cost of living a problem? Yes, it's kind of staying flat, but it still feels like it's increasing. Again, you can go look at my pros and cons video. San Diego isn't for everybody, but it still is America's finest city. I just wanted to get that out there so people are seeing the actual truth and not so much watching, the mainstream media that's looking at making everything look like it's the end of the world's coming. So if you're looking to make a move to San Diego, again, David Domingo's here. You can get a hold of me either through call, email, text. You can set up a Zoom meeting. Just go to the links in the description. Be happy to help. We're helping people just like you move into and out of San Diego all the time. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.